So I'm Lara, this is David, and we now have 2 cars, 2 electric cars. We have 15 solar panels, 2 chargers, and 1 Powerwall. But we are gonna install the second Powerwall.
Vanadium had the product we were looking for, the Tesla Powerwall. They had the know-how, and the prices were very competitive, and after all this journey, it's very premium service for what we paid.
I looked on Facebook and they had really good reviews. As soon as we met them, we understood why the good reviews were, and we decided it was a no-brainer to go with them.
I was here during the 3 days of installation. The team were fantastic. They started to explain every single step, and they were very patient, very professional. They explained every time I had questions, they would explain every single thing. The panels itself, they are surprisingly good. We were not expecting that much output for this time of the year. So for us, yeah, and we've been managing to sell most of the energy. So with 1 battery, I'm looking forward to see the output with the second battery. Yeah, the best part of it is that the Powerwall and the chargers and the cars, they are all connected through the Tesla app. That's a benefit of going with all Tesla. And then through the app you can see how much you are exporting to the grid, importing from the grid. The neighbor on almost the same street, she had a power cut for 2 or 3 days. We wouldn't even notice.